Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify not found 404 error in Google Search Console. So if your Google Search Console shows 404 errors for your Shopify store, follow these steps to fix them. Number one way is identifying 404 errors. Go to your Google Search Console, then click on the Pages option and navigate to Not Found 404 Errors. Review the affected URLs here, then navigate to step 2, that is redirecting broken URLs. Go to Shopify admin, then navigate to Online Store, then click on Navigation and here click View URL Redirects or just click on URL Redirects at the top. Now, here you can click on Create URL Redirects, then enter the broken old URL and a valid new URL. So you'll have to enter the old broken URL in the redirect from section, then enter the new valid URL in the redirect to section, then click on Save Redirect. After this, save this redirect and your problem will be fixed. Now, step 3 is fixing product and page URLs. So if your product or page was deleted, consider restoring that page. If URLs changed, update internal links in the menu, blog and collections. Now, step 4 is resubmitting to Google. So in your Google Search Console, click the 404 error URL and click Validate Fix button or Request Indexing. Step 5 will be improving site structure. Use Shopify sitemap, that is yourstore.com/sitemap.xml to check the indexed pages. So I will go to the search bar and type in yourstore.com/sitemap.xml. I'll hit enter and I will have to ensure that all important pages are linked from the home page or navigation on that page. Now, wait for a few days for Google to process the changes and your Shopify store should now have fewer 404 errors. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.